Before starting, I wanted to share an Ayurvedic proverb which states, when diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. When diet is correct, medicine is of no need. Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Today we will be making vegetarian kimchi. This immunity booster superfood is considered to be one of the healthiest food of our body and brain. I will be sharing with you its health benefits, process and lot more. So please watch this video till end. Kimchi is Korean signature dish made up of spicy pickled vegetables and is served every day at every meal. Kimchi is characterized by its spicy, sour, sweet and carbonated taste which develops in fermentation process. There are about 170 different varieties which comprise of different combination of ingredients and methods. Despite the uniqueness in every kimchi, the basic taste is derived from salt, lactic acid fermentation of vegetables and spices. Traditionally, it contains pickled fish or fresh fish. I have modified few ingredients to make it healthier, easier, and in addition to make it suitable for delicate palates which enjoys different and unique flavors but can't stand sharp smell and taste of fermented fish. We are making most popular traditional kimchi made up of napa cabbage and radish. Here are few benefits of kimchi. It boosts immunity, it has anti-cancer effects, helps in heavy metal detoxification, aids in digestion, anti-aging properties, reduce inflammation and skin problems. It also helps in reducing weight. It is extremely good for your gut health. It helps in reducing cholesterol and helps in diabetes as well. Now, let's start making it. Slit the bottom part and tear it open. If there is any reddish to brown spots, remove it. Then chop it into 1-inch pieces or a bite size and place it in a large bowl. Discard core. Combine the cabbage with rock salt and water in a large bowl and mix it. Try to use rock salt only for furthermore health benefits. If you want to know more rock salt benefit, please watch my taro root kebab video. You will get all the details about salt in there. Toss it gently. We are going to salt it for 2 hours. After every 30 minutes, toss it so that salt is mixed evenly. Time to make a stock. Heat up a pan and add butter. If you are vegan, just replace it with any vegetable oil and rest is good to go. Once butter melts down, add whole clove or chopped garlic. Then add shiitake mushrooms, button mushroom and saute them. Then add thyme and combine it well. Add water followed by salt and parsley and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer for at least 15 minutes. Then strain it, save the mushroom for later use. Now time to toss cabbage. Now heat another pan and add mushroom stock. Then add rice flour and stir it well. There shouldn't be any lumps. Once it has sauce-like consistency, take it out in a bowl and let it cool down completely. Time to blend mushroom sauce, garlic, ginger and onion together in a smooth paste. Don't forget to toss cabbage after 30 minutes again. Here comes the finale. A quick look of other ingredients to make our delicious kimchi. In a large bowl, add julienne carrot, radish or daikon, chopped green onion or scallions, red chili powder, and onion garlic paste. Authentically, it is made up of Korean hot pepper flakes, which is called gochugaru, but I wanted to try it with chili powder so that a lot of people can take advantage of this healthy food. The difference between both is kimchi made up of gochugaru is deeper and more uniformed color with slightly smoky undernote, whereas red chili kimchi has a lighter tone to it. Now wash salted cabbage under cold running water for about 2 to 3 times and strain it. Then add cabbage with everything else and mix it until well combined. Now take it out in an airtight container. So if you are living in a hot climate, then ferment it in cooler for 2 weeks. It will slowly ferment, and if you want to ferment it really fast, then let it ferment at room temperature for a day or 2. Then put it in refrigerator. If you live in cold country, then keep it in room temperature for a week. Then put it in a cooler for slow fermentation. It will be keep fermenting in cooler as well and get sour as it aged. You will be looking for a combination of crunchy, tart, spicy, salty and tangy flavors. It goes really well on almost anything. It can be used as a condiment in soup, as a side dish, enjoy it with rice or just straight up on its own. Its diverse flavor often cure that craving for salty, crunchy, spicy hankering one have. For more detailed knowledge about kimchi, please check description box. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Wanted to wind up with Rumi's quote, "It's your road and yours alone. Other may walk with you, but no one can walk for you." Just a food for thought. We'll meet you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.